Trying to solve today Jan 2026 Unit 2 IAL Edexcel paper question number 6 part D of the question. Calculate the margin of safety in pounds for Eszuzah Bottling PLC for the month of Jan 2026. We are supposed to calculate the margin of safety in pounds. Okay. So margin of safety in is equal to actual sales in pounds minus break even sales in pounds. So that is the margin of safety in pounds. So that actual sales in pounds. So they are able to sell 78,000 bottles. So we saw that they are selling at the rate of 78. They are able to sell 78,000 bottles. Okay. And the selling price for each bottle is 0.397 pounds. Okay, which is given here. Okay, 0.397 pounds minus break even number of sales. The break even sales was 52,500 bottles, each sold at the rate of 0.379 be equal to 10,000 123.5. So I will round it off to 10,000 123 124 pounds.